Dr. Hanford here, coming to you from ShopAnatomical.com. Wanted to go over this very nice model for you. It's just going to be the ACC-04083. This is the giant Atlas and Axis model, and this is how it'll come shipped to you. Comes in this nice, well-packed box, all the way from Germany. We ship these in from Germany on a regular basis, and each one of them, before they leave their facility, has a quality control process, and they put a sticker on here to show that they actually went through that quality control in their factory. So just going to open this up here. You'll see how it's nicely packed, just like that. It's going to have a stand, which I'll show you how to put that on, and then we're just going to pull this off, and then it has the bubble wrap around it, just like that. And this sits on the stand. There's a little hole right there, and it'll sit on the stand just like that. Okay, so if you're displaying this in your office or in one of your treatment rooms or on your desk, this is how it'll be able to stand up instead of just putting it on there like that, or like that, which I know some physicians do that, and they'll use it for demonstrations and they'll forget the stand. But this one is nice because it does have a stand, and you can position it on there to be able to stand up just like that in between using it to demonstrate and discuss it with patients. So this is not anatomically correct, and the reason why I say that is because it is not life size. It is enlarged. And the reason why it's enlarged is so that you can have a gross representation for your patients. And so it has, of course, the occipital bone here. You can see the mastoid processes, the styloid processes. You also see C1, C2, and C3 on here. And it is on a bungee, okay? So you can take this, pull it apart, show it, all that kind of stuff, and it's really nicely put together. It also is put together with this string, so that if you wanted to, you could take this apart just like this and pull the string out and discuss each one of these bones separately. So you can take the string out completely and you have the 4 parts. And then if you want to, you can also put it back together. So that is the Atlas Axis enlarged model, and nicely designed, very, very high quality. You can even see that if I can kind of zoom in a little bit here, kind of show you a little bit, the quality of this model is very, very good. These models that come in from Erler Zimmer out of Germany are very high quality, and I'd highly recommend them. So if you're a chiropractor, or if you are a physical therapist or neurologist or a orthopedic surgeon and you want to be able to have some demonstrations for your patients, or if you're an attorney and you're trying to litigate a case and you're trying to show that the relationship of the bones and the upper cervical area, this is a very good model for that. So I'd encourage you to go ahead and pick it up. It's fairly inexpensive for this particular type of model, and the quality of this model as well. So hopefully you learn a lot from it, and if you have any questions about this further, feel free to give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out as best we can.